I didn't want to be in video because I have corona hair and my son is laughing at me, but everybody needs to know this, okay? I tried to clean my oven and I looked at all the YouTube videos because I don't have a self-cleaning oven. And it said to use baking soda and water and let it soak for a half an hour. So I tried that. Didn't work. Just a tiny bit. So then I tried the same thing with vinegar. Worked a tiny bit. I did that for like 5 hours today. But the reason I have to videotape myself, because I want credit for this, this is it. Spackle knife. I took this and I scraped all the grease off. It did not scratch the glass at all. This is the only thing that works. It's not going to scratch the glass. Literally, this is what I've done here. And look how it comes off. It's the only thing that works. It literally takes it all off. And this other stuff is just inside the glass, the 2 pieces of glass, which I'll have to take apart the glass to get that out, but it actually works. So I just scraped this off. It literally took 5 minutes. And then I had the problem, oh, pizza's here. Ah! So don't listen to anybody that says to use baking soda, because what happens, it gets stuck in between here in these little ridges, and then it goes inside the 2 pieces of glass, and the glass gets cloudy. So don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna try to finish this video. So what I did was I took literally a glass this big and I shoved water up into this seam right here so that it would go in between both panes and wash down all of the baking soda that was in between these two panes of glass. And it all flowed down, and then I had to just clean it up off the floor. And I did that 3 times, and then I did the same thing with Windex. I poured Windex all into the seam here, and that's it. And I think I finished this video. Okay, bye.